Alright, so this is the first box that we're going to open. If you watched the previous video, these aren't mystery boxes because I know what I'm purchasing pretty much. I don't have a lot of details, the photos are really bad, so you have a general idea what you're getting, but not necessarily specifics in most cases. Most of the things that I order are lots of cameras or lots of electronics, either new, used, open box, that type of thing. In this case, this is a component lot, so like electronic components, resistors, capacitors. I think I have two of these boxes. We're going to open one of them. A single board computers, maybe. That's vaguely what I remember being in these boxes, since this was ordered like 3 weeks ago, something like that. So the total that I paid for this box is $42. So let's go ahead and cut this open and see what's in it. Alright, so I'm going to move the camera. First time, kind of trying to figure out where to put the camera. Alrighty, so we'll just start digging in. Some Radio Shack wire. Normally we do this on the floor in the living room, to be quite honest, so not sure where I'm putting this stuff.
SD card reader.
SD card reader? Oh, we needed one of those for you.
Yeah.
I already ordered it. I think the box was here when we ordered it.
Yep.
Oops.
That's the funny thing.
Alright. That's trash. Oh, that wasn't a trash box.
Nope, that's not.
Alright, we made some changes here with the tabletop. You know, first video and all, trying to figure this out. Okay, these are the two things we pulled out. So, shut-off timer.
Broken AC adapter.
Well, that would be trash.
Yep.
Have to look that one up. Looks like a thermistor or something.
I don't know what this is.
What is that?
It says Thor Labs.
That's probably some $400 fancy screw mounting thing. Alright. Alright.
Oh
my. Giant bag of electronics. We might sift through that at the end.
I got like a giant steel plate.
A giant steel plate?
Yeah.
There's exposed copper on the back. Heat sink?
Oh, maybe.
Alright.
Radio Shack circuit board.
Network cable. Test probes. That's going to end up going to scrapyard for metal recovery.
I got another Thor Labs
webcam.
thing.
Oh, go with the other one. I'm guessing so it's an old Logitech. So this ends up being his pile, which he just takes apart.
Yep.
Oh. DSL, that is scrap.
4-inch cable ties.
We can use those.
Yeah.
Network cable, nope. Phone cable, I don't think anybody uses that anymore. Metal scrap. Test probe.
A really strange kit of, like, something.
More wire.
Another one of those weird wires.
Let's work through your wire pile over here. Polarized figurator, aka Sony cord. We end up needing these for various things that we have to batch up to sell.
Another Thor Lab screw.
Wrench.
A bunch of Thor Labs screws.
Okay. Drills, screwdriver, and some wire. Some kind of an install kit.
Another screwdriver.
More Thor Labs, titanium. Ooh, these could be worth something.
Just a random screw with a bolt.
here's something he's probably never even seen. This is an AT PS2 connector to a PS2 adapter for old AT keyboards. The old IBM mechanical keyboards? Yeah. Now, if only there was an old mechanical keyboard in here. Go ahead. Out.
Another
wire.
4 Labs bolt.
And foam cord. Now we're down to the good stuff.
Whoa.
Microelectronica development tools, compilers, books. Oh, looks like a PIT PLC programmer. See, you thought I didn't know what I was talking about by saying wires earlier, but no, I actually used to, as a hobby, program microcontrollers. New, in package. This is worth something.
I have no clue what this is. Like a kit to build something.
Alright, give me a second. Give me a second. Look at that. Because if this is in here...
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff in there. Oh, wow. That's a lot of wires.
WPVS cell holder? I don't know. It looks like a die for a processor.
Kinda does. What's in here?
Coolants. Okay. Honestly, some kind of piece of quartz lens or glass.
Whoa!
That's a first surface mirror. That's some money.
So
do not touch that.
Yep. Put it back in its little...
More titanium rod.
That was in there.
Yeah. And some mounting brackets. Okay. Some of this looks like this might be interesting. If I was a good person, I threw prices up if we figured out what it was during this. So, like I said, this isn't the type of stuff that we normally, or that I normally buy.
Yeah.
Pretty rare. This would be the first electronic parts when I bought an RC parts giant box of all just radio controlled airplane stuff. Before, I guess that's it. We have another box, like I said, from the same general batch.
Mm-hmm.
That'll be a different video. So what are your thoughts? Let me know down below. And until next time, thanks for watching.
Bye.